Hey guys, Frank here and welcome to another episode. And how did I shoot this one? Today, the Halloween workshop. Man, this is always a special workshop. In this workshop, we try to do stuff that is a little bit more on the storytelling part or uses a little bit more Photoshop. Now, normally I'm the kind of photographer that loves to do everything in camera, but for this workshop, we are using a lot of Photoshop. So in the final result, you will see some Photoshop. So let's just show you the final result right away. Now, for this workshop, we had the great model Felisa. And during this workshop, we actually choose the witch as our main point of interest. Now, this setup is actually pretty easy. It's on our stage and we're using a click backdrops and it's called the Botanical Garden. Now, we have a lot of leaves on the floor and we have our model with a big black dress, and it didn't look right for me. I just didn't like the leaves, I didn't like the black dress, it was all just sucking up too much of the lighting. So I started out with lights from the side as an accent lighting. And that was okay. But you know, when you're using lights from the side as an accent lighting, it's something we do a lot. And sometimes you want to do something else. And one of the students actually said, why not change the lighting from the back to behind our model and just shine through the dress? Now, this is one of the most important things to remember. Even if you're teaching a workshop, or even if you think you're the best photographer in the world, always listen to what other people tell you, because they look at stuff with different eyes. The cool thing about the workshops is, of course, that we have time to change setups. In some cases, it will work out great and we get a great shot. And sometimes we change the set and the student actually goes like, yeah, nah, this doesn't work. But if you don't try it out, the student will always have this question like, but what if? And that's for me not a workshop, it's not a learning experience. So we decided to place the strobe behind the model. Now in this case, we are choosing green. Now you know I'm not a big fan of green for accent lighting, but if you use it with a witch, if you use it from the back in a Halloween workshop, yeah, green works totally, because green has this weird witchy-like quality, right? Think about the Wizard of Oz, the green witch, right? Now you have to make sure that you use material that's a little bit shine through, and in this case we were very lucky, it did shine through. Now when I got the shot, I shot it full body and I just didn't feel it with the floor. So that's where in Photoshop we actually decided to create some leaves on the floor. Now, the weird thing is, I'm the kind of photographer that loves the original stuff, so the original leaves, but somehow they just didn't work. And the ones in the computer, because they're wet, they're more spread out, they just worked a lot better for me. So in this case, we are using the floor from the computer and not the original one. So let's take a look at the behind the scenes video. It's a pretty simple lighting setup, but it's just a lot of fun to show you guys. As you can see, simple lighting setup, and the next time you are shooting, try to place your light behind your model. The only thing you have to do is, of course, make sure that if you have a boom stand, you take out the stand, and if you don't have a boom stand, well, maybe get a platypod and place the light exactly behind your model without any stands. See you again next time. Bye, guys. This is so much fun. Oh, you're still here? Well, join, like, subscribe. But most of all, tell other people about the channel so we can grow and pay for the fire department. Bye, guys.